Hey guys, welcome to another video of Roll Delta, and today I'm going to talk about engineering because I've been a student of mechanical engineering for almost 6 years now. And if you are in doubt that if you should go to engineering or not, I'm going to try to convince you why engineering is a very nice career path. Welcome to Roll Delta. So when I finished my high school, I decided to go for mechanical engineering without really knowing what it meant to be an engineer. My dad will say to me that they are very snobby and they only know about the theoretical sides, but that's because he worked in construction almost all of his life and he will deal with the civil engineers. But I still decided to go that path, and I really love it and I don't regret it, and I will try to explain you what an engineer does. And I will tell you it's very complicated. It's not that the activity is very complicated, it's more that an engineer can do loads of things and it's very difficult to specify what actually an engineer does. So basically an engineer forms a link between the scientific discovery and an application. So if some scientist comes up with theory and it's proven and it works, the engineer will pick up that application and translate it in a machine that benefits and improves the lives of the population. And of course everything built upon the scientific knowledge and mathematics. And because of this, engineers have to have a very good basic knowledge in the practical and the theoretical side of things. Also, you have to know how to manage people, you have to know how to work in teams, you have to know how to lead, because you're going to deal with people with different backgrounds, and these soft skills will be very important when it comes to become a good engineer. Also, engineering is one of the broadest degrees that you can have. For example, I had from programming to CAD, so this means computer modulation, electronics, physics, mathematics, materials. So it's very broad, and so you don't need to worry about getting a job really, because you are trained in so many different things that you are so capable of doing so different things that you really don't need to worry about that. Now, regarding the bachelor's in engineering, you really need to love mathematics and physics, because the first year is basically only physics and mathematics. There's no escape for that. You're going to learn about derivating and integrating. Also, you're going to learn about matrices, because it will lay the groundwork for a programming language. For example, I learned how to program in MATLAB, and we only use matrices, and it's much easier to work with them, but first you have to learn them. So have a conscious decision that you're gonna deal with mathematics and physics, and after that the real engineering courses come. So materials, finite elements, and also some management courses. But the first year, I would say it's the most difficult, and some say that year it's difficult because they want to try to eliminate the weaklings. So take it as a challenge. If you go through the first year, all the other ones will be much easier. And after all this mathematics and physics, they become a tool for you to study different things, and you always go back to mathematics and physics because they are basically the rules and how the world works. And if you really understand them, you will have a very nice career, and it will be much clearer for you everything you're going to do. So invest in mathematics and physics at the beginning, and you'll see the results later on, definitely. And because it's an engineering course, you will have loads of presentations and group work, because when you go to a company, you have to be able to work with different people, and you have to know how to present your ideas and your solutions. And now, more of a personal opinion, I think engineering, it's very nice. You first have to have the predisposition of enjoying math and science and get past that first year. Afterwards, you will have to choose one path, because just because I chose mechanical engineering doesn't mean I have to go from bachelor's to my future job as a straight line. I have loads of options, and for example, my old university had 2 options. For example, the production and maintenance side, or more of the energy generation and production, that side. I definitely chose production. I'm now in Luxembourg studying sustainable product creation. So creating products, but thinking about the environment and thinking about long term. And I would say that people are also very nice. Maybe I was lucky, but I would say the engineers are very competitive, but also very united. And this creates a very nice dynamic, because there's someone that are better than the other ones, and they try to follow him and get better. So this competition, it's really helpful, especially in the beginning, so everyone can keep up with each other and everyone can evolve. Currently, I'm internshipping in the Fab Lab of Luxembourg. I'm learning lots about production, and basically my objective is to get the know-how and the skills to work with the machines, so later on I can get a job and use those skills with the machines and combine it with the knowledge I have from engineering, and hopefully create very nice products that hopefully perform well. And my dream would be produce something, design something to go to space. That'll be a very cool thing to say. They have something in space. I think that's what I'm going for, and let's see what happens. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to use the comment section below. I love engineering, and if I can convince you to come to this side, it will be an honor. If you like the video, why not subscribe? This channel is about personal development, so check out my other videos and tell me your opinion. I release a video every single Friday, so check out the channel and I see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching!